filled with dust. Time is settled, worn by rust. What once gave life now sits unseen, covered by what lies between. Neglect can slowly dim the flow. When care is lost, the water's slow. Yet beneath the weight and years, pure potential still appears. Clear the mud and see again. What was lost can still mend. Restore the source you hold inside. Let renewal be your guide. When you tend what's been ignored, life will rise and flow once more. An abandoned place can hide a deeper strength it still provides. All it needs is mindful care, an honest time spent clear here and there. Renew yourself from root to ground. Let fresh intention turn around. What you offer grows more true when you restore the well in you. Clear the mud and see again. What was lost can still mend. Restore the source you hold inside. Let renewal be your guide. When you tend what's been ignored, life will rise and flow once more. With patient hands and steady sight, you bring the water back to life.